To swap on BitMart, start by logging into your account and navigating to the swap page. If you do not have an account, create one and complete the verification process to ensure you can use all the features. Once you are on the swap page, select the token you want to swap from and the token you want to swap to. Make sure you have a sufficient balance of the token you are swapping from. Next, enter the amount of the token you want to swap. You can choose to enter the amount manually or use the percentage buttons to swap a portion of your balance. After entering the amount, review the transaction details, including the amount you are swapping, the amount you will receive, and the fees associated with the transaction. If everything is correct, confirm the swap. The transaction will be processed and the new tokens will be added to your account. It is essential to note that the swap feature is subject to market conditions and liquidity. In some cases, the swap may not be possible or the rates may not be favorable. To get the best results, make sure to check the market conditions and rates before initiating a swap. Additionally, consider setting a slippage tolerance to ensure the transaction is processed even if the market conditions change during the swap. By following these steps and considering these best practices, you can successfully swap tokens on BitMart and take advantage of the opportunities in the cryptocurrency market.